And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, 20 degrees for your low temperature come tomorrow morning. There will be a wave of snow that comes through the area. Now, this is generally 1 inch or less. I'll show you that graphically shortly, and it's mainly for the northern 3/4 of the viewing area north of Highway 28. Then it just stops. The sun tries to poke through a little bit, especially towards noon and like 1, 2, 3, and then it clouds up again. But you'll notice how much warmer it will be, and the wind will be less tomorrow. But at 29, we'll take that. 25 to 31 should do it for highs viewing area wide. Mid-20s up around like Headley and Monticello and Chalmers, but 30 at Attica, and how about a 31 towards Petersburg and Kingman. Now, the wind really cranks up on Friday, and remember, late Thursday evening, Thursday night, early Friday morning, a wave of snow, and this snow will amount to more, and it will blow around a lot more because we will have more wind. That wind out of the northwest and north-northwest. Temperatures cold, steady at 9 to 14, and when you've got wind like that, you've got wind chills 11 below zero to 4 below zero. And there you see the highs viewing area wide. So here's Futurecast. There's that little wave of snow that begins to come in. This is overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. Here we are at 7 o'clock in the morning. There it is, again, especially north of 28. We've got some of that snow. Again, it's not a lot, but it's enough to slicken things up. Then it jets out of here by noon. A couple little holes in the clouds here and there, warms up, and then tomorrow night we cloud up. Here comes more snow. This is 9 o'clock, and then it really overspreads the area after about 10 p.m. Here we are at 12:30. This is around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning for tomorrow night. You can see widespread snow. And then it pulls away, but we're still left with flurries and some lake effect snow showers Friday morning at 9, and then right through noon and very early afternoon with the cold weather around. Now, eventually that goes away. The weekend is pretty tranquil, but then we watch the warmth coming in, and with the warmth coming in, here comes the rain, but the temperature will likely be at or a little below freezing when this starts around Monday. So a brief bout of some freezing rain, and then it's all rain, and we've got multiple rounds of rain. And when it's not truly raining, we'll have fog and drizzle around, because when you're taking this kind of warm air, moist air, throwing it up over the top of melting snow cover and really cold ground, you're going to produce a lot of fog. We call that advection fog, and that's what we're going to have next week. This is Wednesday evening. You can see the rain around and the moisture pump. More rain even into Thursday, and even next Saturday. It's not going to be that cold, still mild, and still some patchy drizzle around. And the trend is that this cold snap we're getting this weekend is probably going to be the last of the really substantial cold for a really long time. I really think we are in the throes of the coldest weather of the winter, and then it looks much milder, especially getting into February. But in the meantime, it's 1 inch or less north of Highway 28 mostly tonight. Watch for slick spots on the roads, again, coming up for your commute. Now, commute kind of rough on Friday morning too. It's 1 to 3 inches area wide, and that's a 1 to 3 inches. That's going to blow around and kind of drift about as well. 14 on Saturday. It's a 3 Saturday morning down to 0 Sunday morning, but we're in the 20s Sunday afternoon. After a little freezing rain, it goes to rain with time on Monday. Rainy off and on with fog and drizzle. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even next Saturday. Still not that cold with some drizzle